Good afternoon, fellow humans. This one, I know it's another diesel heater one, but I do like to play with my diesel heaters. This is a new controller. I mean, they're pretty basic one on the market. The one that I've got, and I've also got the remote control. It's got no battery in it, so I've got to sort that out, and I'll do that while I'm at it. And I'll show you where. I'll just very quickly show you how to fit a battery if you're not sure. I'm going to replace it. Well, I'm going to try and replace it with this one. Put a bit of light on the matter. There. It's all right, but I find it very basic, and I've got no instructions with this. This was one that came with the machine. I cannot find the manual. I don't even think it came with the manual. It was one of those freestanding. No, it was one of those kits that you just buy with just the heater and the exhaust. Didn't come in a case or anything like that. So I want to try and replace this. I don't know if it's compatible, whether it'll do it or not. So I'm going to do it, experiment, and I'll take you and you can see if it works or not. There you go. This is an RS203, is it 2032 battery? I don't know if it's going to fit. It might even be thinner than that, but we'll have a look. Three of the world's tiniest screws in the back. So I've got the world's most tiniest screwdriver. No, I haven't, but we'll have a quick look. Ah, well, look at that. I've actually got one of them down the house. Back in a sec. Okay, so I thought I had a spare, but it's not. It looks like it doesn't come with any instructions or anything. This is just a panel on its own with the remote control. And it looks like it's a HY21. I'll go and look that up. Can you see that? HY21. So I've removed 3 panels to get to my, there we go, controller. I got a funny feeling it's not going to work. I don't know why. I think I've done something like this before. Anyway, at least the controller's there. There we go. So I'm not going to take it off. I'm just going to unplug it for now. So I'm going to have to put you on tripod. 2 seconds. Okay, I've not sorted the remote control for this yet because it's the wrong battery, so that's another different type of battery. So to undo this, push the clip down, comes apart. Well, that's weird. Oh no, it isn't. So I don't want that one, do I? I want this one. So there we do, put the new controller on. Right, yeah, there we go. It has life. Will it work? Error 07. What the hell's error 07? I don't think it's not going to work, is it then? So I don't think these controllers are compatible. It says they are, but they're not. What the hell is that? Let me have a quick look at this. Hold on a second. So just had a quick scan like we all do on the YouTube. I'm one of the worst as well. This is not compatible with my heater, with this one. Even though they say that these are universal, they are not. So E-code error, E-error 07 is the fact that this controller is not compatible with my diesel heater. So if you're going to upgrade your controller, you buy this, you buy the remote control with it, and you have to buy the motherboard which is inside your diesel heater. It's only a 2-minute job, well, a bit more than that, 5-minute job to change the motherboard, but is it worth it? So this is not lost, because this now will go and see if this works on my diesel heater in the garage, which the screen is very dim. Let's go and have a look. There we go. We go down here. Look at that. All right, let's go down here. So this is my controller, and that is dull. I'm zoomed in on that. Okay, let me zoom out. Let's see what it looks like when I plug. If the new one works. Hold on a sec. Okay, just pull it apart. put the new one on. Wow, look at the difference on that. Does it work? That's the thing. Let's fire up and see if it does, see if it is compatible. But I'll tell you what, I'll use the remote control. Now this isn't the one that came with it. I don't know if this is going to work. I don't think it is it? Unlock. No. Okay. Ooh, there we go. We have it on. Okay, I'll pause that for a second and wait till she kicks in. Everything's coming up, okay, by the look of it. That's it. 44 hertz. Well, it's fired up. It's the temperature I want to try and get, not the hertz. I haven't got a book on this either. Okay, we'll see. I have to do some research on this, but these then so the other way around, if you've got a controller like this, then it looks like it is compatible with the same one. You can only replace it with the same one. You've got to make sure with the manufacturers that if you're going to buy or upgrade this, you have to upgrade the motherboard. Okay, so the conclusion is it did work with that one, but the settings are totally different as well. This is the one in my garage, so I swapped it for that one. I put the old one back on. You can hear it's just kicked in now. So as far as I can make out is, if you're going to buy one of these with your remote control, you're going to need to buy, and this is how easy they are to fit, but you're going to need to buy a motherboard, and that's one of these. They're very straightforward. The cables, they only go around really one way. They only fit as they fit on. Okay, so you got a 3, a 4, and you got a 2 this end, and that's it. So you're going to buy a motherboard, and then all the heaters should work the same, so long as you've got the motherboard, the controller, and the remote control, and you should be done. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. All the best.